it's true, I crave you.
My name's Jim Haney. I'm an instructor here at the journalism school. I teach in the public relations sequence, primarily two writing courses, the 202, the first one, and then an advanced writing course. Well, I saw the revolution in technology and certainly in the print newspaper business. When I started, we were still doing typewriters, carbon paper, and hot type. When I finished, I was writing copy for a website. Certainly typography changed over the years. It's certainly a lot easier in a lot of respects. In the olden days, if you laid out a front page of a newspaper, you essentially drew a picture of it on a piece of graded paper. Of course, now you just log on to your computer and you use Quark, InDesign, whatever, and you have complete control of the product yourself.
Okay, I'm Professor Scott Farron. I'm one of the visual communication professors here, and my specialty is informational graphics, publication design, and typography. What you're seeing now in typography is that everybody was creative to start with, and now what's happening is that we're creating more powerful ones, simpler ones and more powerful ones. Why? Because so much information is being put at the consumers and the audiences, so now you have to go bigger, you have to go stronger, and sometimes simpler, especially in the web and especially in billboards, especially almost everywhere. What's probably going to happen in the future is this. There are more and more typefaces still being developed, so we're going to have more options to it. But we're getting more players on a global level now. And so each country has a different language, which looks different in typography. Each dialect looks slightly different. So people are trying to figure out the distinguishing factors, what makes them them. And what people are beginning to realize is that type is only one of the tools. And so images sometimes are making a bigger forefront, and the video is making a forefront, which means typography doesn't have to be as strong. So it's really now we're getting to the stage where not one element of design or communication is the most powerful. We're beginning to do a better job of mixing together and making it very sophisticated. So typography will take its role in there, and images will take a role in there, and sometimes it'll be big and bold or big and crazy. The next time it'll be the visual that'll be that way, and it'll become much simpler. So now we have more unified layering of information.